stars and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta
You have baby. Where you at? Happy Father's Day. Hello. Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. I'm tired. Which one? You want your purse? Do you like the purse? Elizabeth, do you like the purse? Do you inherit the purse? Yeah, what do you got in there? Oh, you got your Minnie Mouse. Wow. Is Minnie Mouse gonna eat dinner? Tight. Okay, thank you. There's a lot of thing in the menu, so I don't have. It's pretty dark in here. I'm sorry, guys.
Do you want to add chicken to that?
It's okay, no thank you. Are you hungry?
I'm just going to repeat the order back for you guys in that case. So I have the Italian sausage mushroom rigatoni pasta, and then a side of sweet potato fries. I have 2 orders of the herb salmon. One of them is going to be over white rice instead of the potatoes. I have an order of fish and chips. And then I have the... Sorry, let me write that down.
Those the kids Alfredo's.
Kids Alfredo.
Yeah.
Okay. So there it is. I already wrote it, but I just put a little note. Sorry, I was just mixed up in there somewhere. All right, thank you guys.
Thank you.
I'll clear these menus for you.
There's a pro. Cheers. Empty bottle. Okay, here's that too. Happy Father's Day. Happy birthday, Dad. Cheers. Well, everybody, again?
I want to cheers again. Cheers again.
Yay! Oh,
careful. Put your silverware here.
you say Happy Father's Day, Lulu. Say it. Elizabeth. Elizabeth.
Don't even show that.
Elizabeth. Say Happy Father's Day. You saying Happy Father's Day, Ellie? Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, honey. Happy Father's Day to Dad. Father's Day. Oh wow, you're having fun.
Say no. Just say no. Thank you.
Say no, thank you. Oh, oh wow.
Hey,
No, no. No, no.
Don't use this.
That's a no-no.
It's for food.
No, no. Wow. You trying to feed me? You trying to feed me? Okay, feed me again. Oh, not that one. You're not gonna stop me. Oh, you guarding the cake. I was just pretending you was guarding a cake. You got your finger. You're gonna feed Lola. You're gonna feed Lola? Your turn. Your turn. Oh, look. Your turn. Yum, 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 yum. Oh no, not that one. You favorite food by Cheesecake Factory bread. While you're waiting for your food. The free bread while you are waiting for your food, so it's not bad. We buy this from outside and it's very expensive. The Cheesecake Factory. Nasa, your favorite?
Actually, Triple is trying to hit my phone.
I have pretend cake. Hello everyone. Hello everyone.
Watch your teeth.
Hard. That bread is hard. Forget.
I can do it if I want.
Hey, it's so dark in here.
But you can mix it like this. See?
There you go. I just want to see.
Yeah.
Wow. It
There's
is
a
hot.
free
See the
pasta in there.
hot?
Look.
Wow. Gonna be a good as like mommy.
Whoa. It's splashing everywhere.
Mommy's cooking. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow. All right.
Here. And some more?
Sure. Perfect. Thank you.
Wow. Okay, this is the style of the salmon. And asparagus.
At least the rice looks pretty good. It's only
Yeah.
6 pieces.
How's your food?
Fish and chips.
I'm gonna be full on that one.
Yeah.
I have the same.
I should not a burger.
See,
Yep, let's go see.
the herbs. This gossip is better than mine.
Oh, so you know it's there.
Okay, better be better than mine, okay?
The bucket here.
Skinless, good. And I love my rice. I have my rice. It's just pretty good amount of rice though.
It's good. I like it.
Really bad.
You gotta mix it. You know the sauce in the bottom.
Make it.
Well, guys,
It's really dark in here, so I don't know if you can see me, but I'm gonna try my salmon. See if it's better than mine. Okay. Come on.
you try it. It's good. I like it.
Cook,
You want some French fries? You can dip it in the sauce like this.
okay.
Perfect.
It's What is their
What?
ano comment? Not good. Ano comment? Oh wow. Ano mo dyan? Well, salmon isn't cooked perfectly. Good. Not overcooked, not undercooked. Fine. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna have to eat my food.
Say bye-bye, baby. You're gonna eat my food. Yeah. Hi. She's dipping in her pasta sauce. Pasta sauce. Wow. That tastes good. Cool.
Alright. Alright, I'll get back to you later. I'm gonna cut my salmon in half, give it to my husband, so he can taste my food. See you later. Now, I'm gonna get my asparagus. You guys asparagus. Asparagus cooked, right? Little crunch. Just the way I like it.
So my pants don't get dirty. It's right there.
Salmon good.
Try the pasta, yeah?
Yeah, I did. I tried the pasta, I tried the asparagus, and I tried the salmon and the rice. It's good. You want some asparagus?
What did I say?
If you want some?
Got my french fries. Dancing.
Pretty good. It's spicy.
It's just a piece of paper.
It's spicy.
Tastes good. The Italian sausage.
Good night. Good night. Bye-bye. Nice and warm.
Yeah, he said that he was full. Now he's gonna eat bread.
He ordered another one. Because I love that bread. What, you want cheesecake? Get some dessert. Later.
I'm gonna buy it later.
You're gonna buy at home?
I'm gonna buy it.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna